Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad DANISH RIF'QI LUKMAN from BAL 4122 English Proficiency Public Speaking subject. Today I would like to talk about how to make a DIY face shield. First of all, do you know what is face shield? Face shield is face protection tools similar like a shield which is made by plastic. It is used for protect the whole or some part of the wearer face from various of danger like flying object if someone is working on the road, or chemical substances or chemical droplet if someone is working in the lab. We know in this year the whole world faces coronavirus pandemic, or as known as COVID-19. Malaysia is no exception, also exposed to this pandemic. This pandemic contagious too fast until cause the scale of death in worldwide increased. Protective equipment like personal protective equipment, PPE, gown, face mask, face shield decreased rapidly in hospital. So, when the netizens see this problem happen, feeling of concern arise among Malaysians, especially non-governmental organization, or in short form we said as NGO. They worry about the nurse and the frontliners' safety. So, a lot of initiative and effort arise from various of NGO to make PPE and face shield by DIY. It is made with cheaper and economy price as they are not for recycled use. Here are the equipment to make a DIY face shield. We must have a piece of A4 binding cover, a sponge, 2 string which is cut 35 cm both, a hot glue gun, a knife, a pair of scissors, sanitizer, water spray, tissue, and a puncher. First, cut the sponge at size 24 cm by 3 cm like this. Second, cut every corner at the A4 binding cover for the convenience of the user. Third, put the glue using the hot glue gun on the sponge, like this. Fourth, paste the sponge at the top of the A4 binding cover, like this. Fifth, punch 2 holes at the A4 binding cover on 2 corners, like this. Next, tie up the string at the hole, like this. And the next hole. Lastly, sanitize the face shield using the sanitizer, which is filled in the water spray. Spray like this and wipe it with tissue. For decoration, I put this on my face shield. This is how we wear it. Just tie up the string like this. Ta-da! In conclusion, with the effort from various of NGO, our frontliners' safety, especially nurse and frontliners, doctors are more guaranteed. I also advise to all Malaysians to stay at home and obey instruction and standard operating procedure SOP but outlined by Ministry of Health Malaysia. For all the frontliners, thank you and thank you for on duty for the sake of national security. Thank you, frontliners. You are the true hero.